Hi. This session will get the most fundamental understanding of standard deviation. Let's take one hypothetical example. You're a customer, you ordered a product, it was delivered in 1 day. You ordered it again, and this time it was delivered in 5 days. Average promised time was 3 days. Let's understand this. The average by itself is not really helpful. If we don't know the standard deviation, we have no idea how much data vary around the mean. So standard deviation, in simple words, how close or how spread out data points are from the average of the data set. Standard deviation is the average distance of the data points from the mean of the data set. And the mean is average. Let's understand what it really means. The standard deviation is always considered in relationship to the mean. Mean is the average value of the data set. Mean is the most common measure of central tendency for the data set. In order to understand what a standard deviation is, we must understand the mean. Let's take an example. The average of the data set is simply the sum of the numbers divided by the total number of values in the data set. So in our example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 data points. And the total, when we divide this total 15 by the total data points 5, we get the average 3. And this indicates the average distance of individual data points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the average of the data set. Let's take a close look at it. So 1 is 2 away, 2 is 1 away, 3 is 0 away, 4 is 1 away, and 5 is 2 away. So standard deviation indicates the average distance of data points from the mean. Now, a low standard deviation indicates that all data points are close to the mean, whereas a high standard deviation indicates that all data points are widely spread out. If standard deviation is 0, it means all the individual data points contributing to the mean are identical. We will take the basic idea of how standard deviation is calculated. We will continue with our example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data points. We need to calculate the mean. all we need to do is a basic calculation, addition, subtraction, division, squaring up and back to the square root. So we have the mean 3. Step 2 is to subtract the mean. So we will subtract the mean from the data points. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, and so on. So we have the results: minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. We will square up these results. And here we go. Square of 2 is 4, square of 1 is 1, square of 0 is 0, and then we have 1 and then 4. So we will again work out the mean of the squared differences. So 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 is 10, divided by 5 is 2. And this is called variance. Finally, we have to find out the square root of 2. And that is 1.41. This is the standard deviation. So why did we square up the numbers? This is just to get the absolute value. Squaring up the numbers makes the calculation a lot easier. Let's summarize what we covered so far. Standard deviation shows how close or how spread out data points are from the average of the data set. Keep watching this video to know what we will cover next. Let's share knowledge and give it back to the society. Thank you, and be with us. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more educational videos and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. We would appreciate if you like, comment and share. Thank you once again.